So over here, what I'm going to do is record out 2 audio tracks. So to do that, I'm going to go around and right click and then click on record sound right here. So once I do that, I'm going to hit the record button and then the sound is being recorded right here. So I'm just going to go around and press stop to stop that out right here, and then you can see that I have an audio layer right here. I'm just going to go around and add in a new audio track right here, and then I'm going to record another sound clip over here as well. So this is being recorded, as you can see right here. I can press stop and press OK right here, and I have another audio track right here. So I'm just going to go around, click on new audio track, right click and click on let's say new audio track over here again, and I'm going to record another sound right here. So this is another audio track right here which is being recorded right here, and I'm going to go around and press stop right here, press OK, and this is what you have. I'm just going to go around right here and click on let's say new recorded sound over here as well. And then I'm just going to go around and start recording right here, and I'm going to go around over here and stop as well and press OK. So these are the 4 audio tracks right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then go to let's say for example onto the clips right here. I'm just going to go around and show the audio waveform over here as well for reference. So if I were to click on the speaker icon, that is, it is already clicked right here. And if I were to press the play button, then you hear all the audio at once. So if you just want to hear out, let's say for example, one audio track, then you can go around and select out an audio track that you want to hear and click on this button right here, just like this. And if I were to press the play button now, clip over here as well. That is what you have, as you can see. So it just plays out that particular audio track. Similarly, you can go around and click and you hear out the 2 audio tracks. Clip over here and then well. But you can go around and click right here and you can solo out another audio track again. And then I'm just going to go around and start recording. And that is how you can solo out audio tracks inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.